introductory video. You can see the honor award, and this is our team. And this is engineer, Miss Vicky. This is myself. This is a fabric cutting machine. This is the workshop. And this is worker assembly machine. Each step we pay a lot of attention for it. See, we're professional workers to make the machine quality stable. And you can see this is engineer checking the machine. Every machine before shipped to you, we have 3 quality controls. You can see this is doppler marking machine. This is CO2 laser engraver. Okay, hello. Okay. Welcome to our live show. Now this is the introduction of our perforator. You can see the video. See? This is the CNC router. This is one machine. This is our whole team. Okay, so you can see we produce a lot of machines. Perforator is the professional manufacturer of the laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, and CNC machines like the letter welder, letter bender, letter vacuum machines, all kinds of machines. We have over 25 years experience, and all our engineers are over 20 years experience, so they can provide you professional advice and solve the problem very quickly. And we also have 3 production lines to meet all the customers' urgent requirement for the large farm production. Okay. Today we will introduce you how to choose the fiber laser marking machine. You can see this is our workshop with all this half illustrated machine here. So why you need a fiber laser marking machine? You can mark the logo and mark the letters. All kinds of
反正他要说没有问我有没有美颜，我说我家里美颜可以
this
用
is all our standards. Let me show you. So some customer want to mark machine, mark the logo on the metal. There are a lot of metals. This is the stainless steel. See, you can mark this is very shining face, but you can still mark the beautiful pattern on it. You can see this pattern. You see? This pattern. Okay. Not only the picture, but also the words, the letters, what you want. Okay, this is the stainless steel. So we can mark on the stainless steel. This is the aluminum coated material. We can also mark because it's coated with color. When you mark it, you can see the marking is white. Okay, hi James, welcome. Produced in for your laser product. Okay, we will send you the message to you after the live show. Okay, this is the aluminum. Okay, and this one is the bracelet. It's the brass, gold, silver, brass, all kinds of. You can see, you can mark your name on it. You see it? And even some don't want to mark outside, you can mark inside. Inside, you can see inside. You see it? Okay, this inside. You see inside. Okay. And some manufacturer will use mark on the some manufacturer will mark the name card for its machine, and so this Fibrillator marking machine can mark all your company name, your machine details, and your factory. All kinds of information can be made on this. This is the metal coated with black. You can see. We also made our own nameplate. And this one is steel. This is a big part, big, heavy. You can see. You can also mark your company logo or your company name on it. This is the heavy part. If some customer want to mark on large size, marking large size, you can also mark heavy. Okay, so this is the light. Some customer even want to mark some patterns on the blade. You can see this. It's very dedicated. So you can only use laser to mark on this. You can see. This will make your product special for the normal product. So you can see, you can mark any pattern what you want. And even highly. Okay, let's see. So this is the stainless steel pattern, also stainless steel pattern. So we have introduced the carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and gold, silver, bracelet, brass, and this some dog tag. Small pet lover will buy for their cute pet. They will have their dog or cat tag, depending on it. Very beautiful, right? Okay, hi, welcome. Okay, we will send the product catalog to you later. Okay, this some customer want to know, because these are just very surface marking, very thin on the surface. Some it's like the line, or kind of dedicated line. Well, some customer may want to mark how deep the laser marking machine can mark. Okay, this is use the 3D fiber laser marking machine. Mark the dragon, Chinese dragon. This is very deep. This is the relief effect, relief effect, very deep. This is the 3D laser marking machine. Okay. So, if you want to mark the logo pattern on the metal, So no problem for the 5-liter marking machine because we have shown you the stainless steel, the carbon steel, the aluminum, gold, silver, and even you want to mark deep, very deep, like relief, we have the 3D. Okay. So is a 5-liter marking machine can mark on plastic? Yes. This is some plastic. It can mark some of the plastic, not the whole plastic. So we need to test. Like some customers send us this ear tag. We can mark. You can see. We can mark the black color on this yellow. And this material is TPU material. So you can mark the barcode, mark the number, mark the ID number. This is the. So what's on this orange color? Also marked black. You can see. So even the ear tag has all types of material. So if you are not sure, you can send stampers to us. We check for you. This is all cuts. So this has the pin. This is different big. It's a very big ear tag. These are all customers sent to us, and we mark. You can see, like mark dog, mark cat, mark all kinds of things. This is to test our machine can mark for you. Okay. So what other? So some customers even want to know if they could, our machine could mark on the paper box. You can see this. There's some customer want the fly marking and they don't like the inkjet printer because they have a lot of consumables. So they updated to the 5-liter marking machine, mark the date coding. You can see it's very clear and it is non-scratchable and it's permanent. It's permanent marking. Permanent marking. Okay, this is the chocolate box customer sent to us. Inside the chocolate box, you can even mark the pattern. It's very dedicated pattern. And it's very big, right? You can see. This inkjet printer cannot do it. You can see it's very special. All we made is mixing special. Okay, so this is our machine can do for you. Okay, some customers are doing the promotional gift, and you can see draw near Christmas time, end of the year, the New Year gift. You have to prepare to marketing for your customers. So mostly the business pen, you can mark their logo on your pen. You can see a lot of pen. It's the metal pen coated with the black. So when we mark on it, it's white. Right? You can see. We have the special conveyor to hold the pen and make the marking very efficient. Okay, this is the metal coated. This is the metal type. This is the plastic ball pen. You can see we also mark for our customer check with the company name, the company name. It's the plastic, the white plastic. Okay, so if you are doing promotional gift, you can mark on it. This is the hardware software kitchen and the switch. If you are doing some home decor industry, you need to mark on this panel. It can also mark. You can see mark the panel.
This one will be more.
This will be more. This will be more. You can see if you will mark this is the bedroom light. You can mark the bedroom and mark the small feature. And this is the chandelier. You can also mark it. And this is the wall lamp. You can mark on it. You can see the back. When you mark it, you will not open the wrong lamp, right? This is the PVC type. So our fiber laser marking machine can mark on PVC type. I see. Okay. And this is the socket. On the socket, this is our test for customers. You can see, mark a lot of things on it. Anything if you want, the different language, and your logo, and this back to date. So it can mark on this plastic. This is normal. This is normal. This is also PVC type. You can see, mark on it, and then the logo. Okay. Some customer may want to know. This is the copper. This is the copper, very heavy. This is the heavy. And we can even mark on it, you can see, and mark very deep. This is the deep butterfly. You can see. It's very heavy. Hi, Izzat. Hi, David. Welcome to our live show. Okay, some customer want to mark on the cylinder, like a pipe, or this round object, like a silver cup, right? You can see, you can mark pattern on this, you can mark big logo on it. This need the rotary, and if the pattern is big, maybe you need the 3D dynamic marking will be better. You can see. It's the pipe marking. You can marking on this, or you can mark a rotary. Marking on this rotary. Anytime you want to mark, we can make it for you. Some customer makes that all you show the products are the hollow type. What about the rock? You can see this is not hollow. This is the stainless steel. Okay. Now you can see we mark on this. You can see the date marking, and also the rotary type marking. You can see this is the row. This is not hollow. You can also mark. You can see So all kinds of metal we can mark for you. Whether it's flat, whether it's flat or whether it's the curve, we have the solution for you. So this is the fiber laser. Our fiber laser marking machine can work for you. If you are not sure about your products, or maybe your product is very special, you can send your product to us, and we can test for you in case you're not okay. Now today, I will introduce you 4 kinds of machine. You can see the 4 different types, and I will tell you the difference of each machine, so you will buy the correct machine. Hi Richard, welcome to our live show. So you can see the first type. This has the hood, right? It's very small size, and let me show you. This one. This is our 400H model number. And how it works, let me show you its working video, so you all know how it works. You can see you can hold the laser head and then move to everywhere you want to mark, because some materials may be very heavy or very big. You can't put on the work table. So you need this hand here type. You can hold the hand here type and to mark everywhere you want. You can see it's very easy. Easy to mark. See, it's our under here type. Just import the fire, import what you want to mark in the software, and there the software. Let's see. So the main feature of this, it has the hand-held laser head, and it can mark everywhere you want to mark. Because it is the stamper, you can mark, and this is the advantage. All our fiber laser marking machines share the same advantage, like low cost in use, because it has no contact, not wearing parts, and there is free of maintenance. Once you buy it, you can use it for a long time. One of our customers who bought our machine for over 9 years still use it as well, just replace some small parts during long time use. Okay. The second part is the high speed, because it's the laser marking machine. It marks very fast. Just a few seconds, you will finish the marking. And the high precision, like we showed to you, is very dedicated. See, 0.002 millimeter, like very thin, very tiny line. It can also mark. Very dedicated. And it's energy saving. You can see this machine only uses electricity, and it's integrated and compact in small size. Only you can put put it on the desk, and you can easy to install, and it's easy operating. In the video, you can see just import what you want to mark in the software and press the button. It's marking. And the laser machine, what's the lifetime of the laser machine? The fiber laser marking machine can use over 10 years, you can see. And the big advantage is they don't have any consumable. Nothing. Not like the inkjet printer, you need to buy the ink and solvent every year. No. This fiber laser marking machine don't need anything. Once you buy the machine, then you can use it for a long time and don't need to buy other extra things. And it's air cooling. It's air cooling inside, and it's very easy to cool in the laser. Okay, let's see the product details. First, the very important type is the fiber laser source. You can see this is the key part of the laser source. About the laser source, we have many brands like some customers who have some knowledge will know IPG and Rakers and Max and JPT is four main brands. IPG is the German imported, it's high price, and the other three like Rakers, Max, and JPT are all China brands. Well, the famous type is the Rakers, is widely used. Well, the JPT is famous for is the MOPAT technology. So if you want to mark color or mark aluminum, mark black on the aluminum especially, probably the JPT will be MOPAT JPT will be the first choice. Oh, well, Rakers also have the MOPAT type, but compared with the JPT, the JPT will be more famous than Rakers for the MOPAT type. So MOPAT type is just a technology, it's not a brand. Every brand will have the MOPAT technology. Well, Max, if some economic type customer will use it, it save your budget. This is the laser source. And the second type is the digital galvanized laser scanning head. This is also important type. The speed, the scanning type speed, you can realize high speed and high precision. This part, our fiber laser marking machine use the Hi Louis. Hi Jane, welcome to our live stream. I'm telling you the detailed part of our fiber laser marking machine. And if you have any other questions, you can feel free to contact us anytime by email or by WhatsApp, all kinds of things. Okay, the scanning head leads to control speed. Scanning head. Mostly, scanning head we use the high quality, and some small factory, even because they have very low price, they even use the plastic scanning head. That's terrible. Okay, there's third part, the focus mirror. The field lens is the field lens. It's under the scanning head. It's control decide the size, the marking size. Some customer may want marking small size, because normally our marking size is 110 by 110. This is the standard type. It covers almost 60% of the work. While some customer will need to mark big size, like 200 by 200, 300 by 300, or some even want 600 by 600, 900 by 600. We can also make for you. That will be the different type. Well, for the marking size, our our standard marking size is 110 by 110, and you can also choose 200 and 300 for this normal type. If you want larger type, that will be like 600 by 600, you will need the 3D laser marking machine, or even the gantry type with the head moving, spicy type, or if some may need to mark very long time. Some may need to like the ruler, like a long time. They may need like the keyboard. They may need the moving electro moving table. We also have that type. It's in another model number. Okay. Now for this number, the fourth part is the control card. Control card, EZCAD. Well, some customers may know BJJCZ, right? BJJCZ is the short name of Chinese, of EZCAD Chinese name. It's Beijing Jinchengzhi. Is the short name. So EZCAD is equal to BJJCZ. Well, even this control card is also the price gap, because the control card, all they call the same EZCAD, but they have a lot of different type. Like if you buy the machine like about lower than like for example 20 watts. If you buy the machine at about 1,000 under 2,000, then they will use the simple card, and because it has just the basic function of the EZCAD. While some small fraction will even have a lower price, and they will not use the licensed EZCAD. They will use we don't know what kind of the software will. Okay, and some customer will, if price a little higher, we will use the standard EZCAD. Will have the more function, and some factory will use in and out function, and other high request, they will use the high level control card. Each control card has price gap over $600 US. So when you get the very low price, you need to think twice what control card they give you, because you can only buy what you get, right? Okay, this is the red light pointer, because the laser source is not visible. So we need the red light to help us to find our marking stand. Hello, Martrial Antique. Welcome to our live stream. Now I'm introducing our fiber laser marking machine details. And this is the work table, because 400H is the small type, so it has the 3D work table. This type. This is the power supply. This is the power supply for the fiber laser marking machine. All we used are the quality power supply, and to make the machine work stable. And some use not very good quality power supply may get burned, and the machine will not work. So quality is you have to think about it when you make the decision. Okay, this is the handheld type. You can see have the hood. You know why? Why have this hood? Because you don't need to. It probably don't have the ruler scale like this ruler scale. So you have to fix the focus lens. So you don't need to use the ruler and the control. So this is the hood. This is the fixed lens. So you just marking. This is some switch, like a pin switch, and emergency stop, and laser switch, and machine startup. Okay, this is the software. This small machine don't have the computer. You have to use your own computer. But we will put the software in the U drive inside the printed manual to you. And when you get the machine, you install the software in your computer and you hook up with the machine. Then it can work. This is the small machine. Okay, this is the small machine. Okay, this is the small type. So, back to this. Okay, this is the first type. I have finished it. And now the second type. This is the most best sell of our model because it's 400B desktop type. It has a ruler scale, not like a hand here type. Okay, let's see the detail of this desktop. Let me show you how it works. It's marking. It has a work table. You can mark on it. You can put what you want to mark on the work table. Let's see how it's marking. This is the ruler scale. This is equipped with the rotary, so you can mark the rotary type. Okay, this is the machine. Okay. So you can see marking sample because it uses the same data source. So you can mark on all metal and some plastic, like I showed you before, or aluminum, carbon steel, stainless steel, and gold, silver, brass, and some plastic. Okay. This is the product details. You can see the laser source I told you before has 4 brands, right? You can choose which brand you want. And scanning head, it controls this decided the spinning head, different the scanning head. Because some customer may need the high speed, so high speed will have the German brand ScanNav, that's very high price. Well, normally we will use the Chinese famous brand for this. And this is the control, and this is the red pointer. Okay, this part is different from the previous type because it has the ruler scale. You can see the ruler scale, and this is the lifting handle. You can lift it. So this, why you need this? Because you have to find the correct focus lens. Because each, this is very thin, right? This is very heavy. When you're marking, there is this gap. Because the focus lens is fixed. When you mark this, you have to scale down. And when you mark this, you have to change to ensure the focus lens is correct. Because this is the different thickness, but have different. That's why you need focus lens. That's why you need focus lens. And the other parts are similar, and the software use the same. So this desktop is just a different size and different shape, but the function is the same. Okay, this is our marking machine. Hi Neil, welcome to our fiber laser marking machine live show. Welcome. Okay, you can see every pen has its words. There's a marking effect under the microscope because by your eye you just can't see the details. You can see use our machine or other machine marking differently. It's very clear and very you can see when marking on the plastic. Our marking machine is high contrast on color, lit edge, and smooth surface, while other ordinary fiber laser marking machine are dark color, segregated edge, rough surface. Well, one of cut. There is a very cheap fiber laser marking machine. So we don't know why. So they got. So we bought one and we checked when the speed up to over, when the speed over 1,000, and marking the square is come out not square, come out the other shape, totally different. So that is why every penny has its words. So when you're marking on thin metal, you can see our fiber laser marking machine don't have the deformation on the marking. Well, other side will have a serious deformation on marking. And the heat effect on metal marking compare, you can see the two. Ours almost on the heat, almost no heat effect. You can see almost no heat effect. Well, this part will have a large heat area. The melt splash on the edge also very, you can see very heavy. This is very neat. And also marking speed comparison, because everyone write on the same. It's easy to write, but when you come to the real material, come to real machine, is it what you said and what you done? You can see this is a short time with this, and well this the color is pale, and the time longer time for turning. So this is a compare of our machine with other machine. Okay, that's back to I have introduced the hand here type. It can hold the hand here to mark everywhere. And this is the desktop. This is the fixed type with the ruler scale. And these two machines don't have a computer. You can use your own computer. But some customer will need this type because it has the computer and have the work table, the bigger work table. This type. So let me show you the details of this type. Normally these type are for higher power because like 50 watt, 100 watt made it this type because the laser source is 200 laser source, the 20 watt, the 30 watt, the 50 watt may not big, but 50 watt, 100 watt is very big. So this the big machine to hold the laser source. Okay, let me show you how it works. This is the work video of this machine. This is marking the ear pad. The ear pad is very special cloth. It will have the acrylic type or some metal type to speed up the marking, not only piece by piece. You can mark very quickly for one tree by one tree. Okay, this is the single part, single marking. You want to mark a lot at one time. Okay, the same type is the laser source. And this is the vacuum absorption workbench. This type, with the air cooling inside, has a computer. And this is the switch power. And they have the universal here, so you can move this machine to every office, every workshop very easily. Okay, the scanning head the same, and some button marking switch. And this has the computer inside. You can see this. It has the holder to hold the screen, and we have this type. When you get the machine, you can use directly. No need to install because we have installed the software and set ready the parameter before shipping to you. So it's the easy part. And the field lens, the ruler scale, the PC holder, air cooling, exhaust fan, and the PC distributor. Okay. This is the desk floor type, because it's the whole piece. When you get a machine, you don't need to buy extra computer, you don't need the workbench, work table, you have all. Normally the jewelry field customer be like this type because it's very easy and equipped with the rotary interlock ring and with high power. Normally they will you buy the 50 watt, and you can card the name necklace, that kind of things. Okay, the floor part, this one, this is the special. You can see it's very tall with the shaft. This is the model number is 600. The model number is 600. It's used for the production line, like the coding machine. It's coding date and let me show you. You can see expiring date, manufacture date, lot number, GTIN number. You can see all kind of number you want to mark. You can see this marking. Okay, let me show how it works. This is the work video of this machine. Hi Asher, AlphaSol, welcome to our live stream. Now is the fly marking machine introduction. You can see it's marking on the production line, marking the pipe, marking the wire, marking the metal can, marking the milk, watering bottom. See, it's very fast and no consumable and easy operated. Okay, the same laser source, like I said before, for brand IPG, Ricus, Max, JPT, whatever you want. Okay, this is different because this is the LCD control screen. It's a touch screen. You can finish your work by touching the screen and set all the marking you want inside and it's marking. Okay, the scanning head, high speed scanning head. This will be very, because you have to choose the machine according to your production speed, production line speed. Some speed you need to tell us how many per second you want to mark, and then you will equip. Because some high speed may need equipped with the German scanning head to achieve that high speed. high quality alloy case. This is the shaft. The big bridge. This is how the laser head. It's marking normally the product is moving like this. You need to mark on the surface. Well, some they marking like this, you have to mark at the side. So you have this. This can shift the laser head 90 angle, and then you can mark vertical. Some even need mark under the table, under mark bottom. You just put the laser head down. You can shift. So if you want a different request, you can tell us ahead. We give you the solution. And this is the lifting hand. This is the big. And this is the meter counter. Meter counter is especially for the cable marking, cable and the pipe production marking, because when you mark, because you want two marking materials at a fixed distance, like every 2 meters, you need marking every 2 meters, or need marking every 1 meter, or need marking every 50 centimeter. So you need this meter counter. It can count the distance between each marking, and it also have the universal wear type. It's easy to moving from one production line to another production line. Well, some customer may need to equip with the conveyor belt. We can also equip for you all kinds of different conveyor belt. You can see this is simple type, and with different size, different height. And this is after, let me see, flipper. The flipper. Okay, you can see this. The customer visit our factory to see how it works by himself. Okay, you can see you can only buy the machine if you already have the production line, or if you don't have the conveyor belt, you can buy the machine and the conveyor belt. We can make for you. And hello, also hello drummer. Oh, David, hi, welcome to our live stream. Now we have introduced you to two types of the blind marking. You can buy the machine only, or you can buy machine and conveyor belt. And even some customers, they just want conveyor belt. You know, one of our customers, every year they buy 10 sets of conveyor belt to us, from us. It's okay. Anything you want. Okay, this is the technical date of this blind marking machine, the laser source. Well, for this blind marking machine, normally in the past few years may have 20 watt, but now all start with the 30 watt, because you need to catch up with the high speed. So you need to start with the 30 watt, the latest power, and the marking area is standard 110 by 110. Or if you need special, you can tell us, we can customize for you. The marking speed is 250 characters by second. 260 characters by second. The minimum character size is 0.25 millimeter in various speed, and the minimum line width is 0.015 millimeter. And the power supply is 220 voltage, 50 hertz. Well, some company said our factory is 110 voltage. Is it okay? No problem. We can equip for you. And it is air cooling. It's also air cooling. And the power consumption is only 0.5 kilowatt 1 hour. Okay. So this is the technical parameter. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I have introduced you 4 models. Model 400H is the handheld type. Model 400B is the desktop type. Model 400D is the floor type. Model 406, Model 600 is the flying marking machine. This floor type is the most popular type. You can choose what you want. Or if you have special requests like 3D marking, like a large size 600 by 600 marking, or 900 by 600 marking, we will have the other model for you. For now, today we just introduced the 4, and in future we'll introduce more. Okay, the 4 type, these 2 type, 400H and 400B don't have computer. You can use your own computer. And this 400D has a computer, has the work table as you under it. And this 600 is used LCD touch screen. This is the 4 different. The main parts are the same. They all use the laser source, scanning head, and field lens, and software. These are the same. Okay, Ricky, welcome to our live stream. Okay, I have introduced you 4 models, and I have introduced what materials this 4 model can mark for you. Can mark all the metal. See, all the metal. Aluminum, stainless steel, even the shining part, dark part, stainless steel, the heavy brass, and this gold, silver, copper, this jewelry type part. Steel. This aluminum alloy. This is the special. This is the same picture, but you can mark 2 different. It will different marking in the software. You can see this is the white, right? Very dedicated line. This is all line. Let's see. It's amazing, right? Amazing part. Okay, if you mark, it's all the metal we can mark for you, and some plastic, especially the ear tag. Let's see, you can mark black, orange, yellow, some with the green. Is yellow part. You can see the mark is TPU. This is TPU material. And this some marking, also some plastic marking. A marking series number from 1 to 10. You just saturate it in the software, then it marks automatically from 1 to 10. No need to mark one and change notice. Software will help you do this. And this is the flat type, and this is surface. The curve type. It's hollow. It's hollow. You can see it's marking type. And this is not hollow. This is the road. You can also mark on it just with the rotary. This is the thermocap tumbler. Some customer ask a lot marking on the surface, marking on the curve surface. This is the logo, marking logo. See, all this our 5-laser marking machine can do for you. Hi, Pedro, welcome. Ricky, welcome to our live stream. So you have already know 4 models, and you already know what our machine can do for you, what kind of material we can mark for you, and it's the main parts like the laser source, scanning head, field lens, and the software main parts. And the difference of our machine with other machine I have showed you before, because every painting has its words. Let me show you again. If some newcomer don't see that part, I will show you again. You can see this is the difference. This is the you pay what you get, because you can see our machine when plastic on the when marking on the plastic, you can see we have the high contrast on the color and the lead edge smooth surface, while other may have dark color, surrogated edge, rough surface. This is. And when marking on thin metal, our machine don't have the deformation, well, other machine will have. Well, the heat effect on metal marking, you can see our machine almost no heat effect. Well, on this part, you can see the large area of heat effect. The mild splash on the edge, you can see a lot. And this part, not very much. In the marking speed comparison, you can see this is short time. Laser of light marking efficiency, well, this will have the longer time. So when you see something white machine looks the same and write the same parameter, because it's easy write on the paper, but when you get a machine, is it the real machine, real parts you get? We don't know. So every penny has its worth. You get what you pay. Okay. So thank you for watching our live stream. I can show this. Give you some discount. If order over 7,000 US dollar, you will get a 100 discount. If order over $3,000, we'll get 50 discount. Moreover, this is the warranty time, because during the normal order, warranty time is only 12 months. But if you order in our live stream, you will get double, 24 months warranty. This is very special. This is very special. Don't miss it. And okay, you have no Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer. We have over 25 years experience. Our machine quality stable, engineering professional. You can see it is our verified certificate Golden Plus supplier. It's insured by the SGS. SGS is the famous institution. You can see a lot of its certificates are issued by this famous SGS institution. It's also audited by Alibaba. You can see this is. And we also have the CE certificate because sometimes may worry what about certificate for the customs. Don't worry, we have the CE certificate. You can see our CE certificate. And the ROHS certificate. This is our certificate. Well, because this machine, this four machine, because this four machine are very small size, normally will shipped by the DHL. You will get it in 6 or 7 days. You will get it because it's small size and it's a little big. This will cost a lot. But if you are shipped by sea, the sea ship is very cheap and save your shipping cost. And you can see all these four machines. We can, if you have your own forwarder, we can send the machine to forwarder warehouse in China free of charge. And if you don't have the shipping agent and you need our help, don't worry. We have our shipping agent. We will quote you the shipping cost, and our shipping agent will help arrange all the process and until you get the machine. So about the okay. Now let's see. What about the some customers sent us some touching. So let me see what touchings. What kind of material can be marked by the fiber laser marking machine? Well, like I said before and show you before, all the metal and some plastic. All the metal include aluminium type, aluminium, coated aluminium. You can mark pattern. You can mark your name card. You see, name card. And you can mark the name plate. And stainless steel, carbon steel, the copper, gold, silver, ring, that kind of thing, and some plastic like the ear cap, especially the CPU type ear cap, the marker barcode, you can mark the numbers. You see the different color ear cap. Switch. This is also PVC switch. You can mark under it, mark this. Let's see. Mark your logo. We completed. And you can also mark the date and lot number on the back. This is the marking plastic. Okay. The second question is, what's the marking precision? The marking precision is 0.0002 millimeter. Hi Alex, welcome to our live stream. Now is the question and answer time. And some customers send the question, I'm not answering it. And the three part is, how about the marking speed? The marking speed is 7,000 millimeter per second. Is very fast. And if you want to use your production line, you can use our 600. Is the flying marking. It can take just a few seconds to mark on the date coding or lot number. So laser marking is very fast. And what color can be marked? As you can see, the laser marking machine can mark white and black color on your product, like this. This is the copper. It's marking white, right? It's marking white. This is the shining stainless steel. You can also see this pattern. It's marking dark black. And you can see this is marking on the yellow ear cap. It's pure black. If you want more black, you can increase the power. Mark. You see it marked black. So some customer may need marking on color. For the fiber laser marking machine, only can mark color on the stainless steel. Only stainless steel. Let me see some samples. Find some sample for you. One moment. Some color for you. It's only on the stainless steel. No other material can mark color. This is the fiber laser marking machine. Well, this is the customer who use our fiber laser marking machine. The marking on the stone. You can also marking on the stone. You can see marking the dot, marking on the stone with our fiber laser marking machine. Let me, one moment. Let me find the color marking sample for you. This is the marking color. You can see it's the Mickey Mouse. It's marking. Let me find it. Okay. Okay, it's the Mickey Mouse. It's the colorful Mickey Mouse marking. You can see marking color, the blue color. This is the red color. Showed up. This is how it's marking. Right? The yellow color. You can see it showed up. Okay, this is the Mickey Mouse. The colorful Mickey Mouse. It's only marking on the stainless steel, no other material. And if you need the color marking, our normal fiber laser marking can make, but it's very complicated. And if you want easy marking, it's better to equip with the GPT, MOPA laser, MOPA technology. MOPA is the technology, especially used for marking color and marking black on aluminium. Every laser brand have the MOPA technology, but the GPT is famous, is the top one. So, this is the color marking. Actually, that. And how about the marking effect? The laser is the long contact marking. It won't damage the surface of your product. The marking effect is dedicated. Let's see. See this dedicated picture, you can see how amazing fiber laser marking machine can work. You can see this is the arc, very tiny line. You can see how dedicated the laser can make, no matter how tiny it is. Hello, Akai Joy. Thank you. Welcome to our live stream. Welcome. You can see how dedicated our fiber laser marking machine can work for you. You can see. Okay, this is the marking precision. And what area of the laser marking machine? Well, the standard type is 110 by 110. Normally it covers 60% of your work. But if your material is 200 by 200 or 300 by 300, you can equip with 200 by 200 field length or 300 by 300 field length. But please remember, if your marking area is big, you need a high power to cover it. So normally, if you need 200 by 200, you better choose 30 watts. If you need 300 by 300, you better choose the 50 watt or 100 watts that will cover the big size, and marking effect will be better. Normally the 200, the 20 watts only for 110 by 110. This is the standard. Okay, the marking area is also special. Okay, the 8th part is what the latest source brand. Like I said you before, there are 4 brands. The Max Rigs. Hi Brian. Hi. Welcome to our live stream. The 4 laser source brands. You may after you check in the market, you will know the Max, the IPG, the Raycus, the Max, IPG, Raycus, JPT. Well, the IPG is the German brand. It's high price. If you have the high quality, high speed, high level request, some customer may especially need IPG laser brand. Well, if you just do the normal work, the Raycus, Max, JPT, these 3 brands are Chinese brands, also can meet your request. The most popular type is the Raycus because almost 80% of the laser machine use the rakers. And more economic type, like they want to save their budget, they can use the Max. It will be cheaper. Well, the IPG, the JPT, like I said before, if you are especially need marking color or marking black on the aluminum, you better choose JPT Mocha type. JPT have a lot of different laser stores. Only the Mocha is the JPT Mocha type, especially the M7. Hi, Ryan. Welcome to our live stream. Okay, so even the laser source brand has also different level. So remember what you pay, what you get. Every penny has its worth. So you just compare with your budget and your quality required as you choose the super machine to finish your work. Okay, this is the laser brand. And what is the software of the marking machine? Well, I said it before, is EasyCAD is English name, and the Chinese short name is BJJCZ. These two are the same. And I said before, even this EasyCAD software brand have also different level. That is why when you ask the fabric marking machine, you don't have the detail request. General ask, you will get different price from 1,000 to nearly 8,000. That's totally different. Why the same? Like 200, like 20 watt. Why there are two big price gap? Because each part has different level, quality, and each quality compared together will have the different usage. Like the software, some price like under the 2,000, like we will use the basic, like us, we will use the basic type in the CAD because it can just meet all kinds of work. And some standard may need higher request, we will use standard type. And some customer may need, some factory may need complicated work. They need import and output function and some other high level database function. They definitely need the high level EasyCAD card. Each level EasyCAD card will have price gap over like $600. So that's why the price gap is so big. Some small factory may not use the licensed software, but our factory, we use our licensed EasyCAD software. That's why our machine quality is stable and can work a long time and marking perfect effect. So like we said before, you get what you pay. And also our after-sales service is also free, because some we only have any after-sales service, or some before you buy said everything is okay, but after you paid and some good getting machine, they will not respond to your questions. We meet a lot of customers send me this sad story. So be careful. Okay, let's see our this bill surface for a moment. Let me see. Okay, you can see normally the guarantee time is 12 months from the date on which the commodity arrives at the part of the destination, except the damage artificially and conventionally consumable. Calculator will respond for offering the fitting free of charge during the guarantee period. Well, please can send back the damaged fitting to us before we send back the alternative fitting parts. Second, we will give you technical guide by online meeting when you meet some problem on installation, operation, adjusting, maintaining. 3, we will offer technical support to ensure safety using and maintenance for you, including operation manual for installation, adjusting, operation, maintaining, professional market software and software backup, and quick supplement of key components with written price and long-term upsell service. And let me give you detail. Okay. Before we start the machine includes the printed English manual and the English training video together with the machine sent to you. After you get the machine, and you can check the printed manual and the English training video in the software. If you can't open or can't find it, you can send email to us, we send to you. And some customer may have computer damaged and lost the software, and we can also send you the software online, so don't worry. And after that, after you check, read, and still don't know how to use the machine, you can have you can contact us, tell us what you want, and we guide you online by like if you have WeChat, we can have group meeting and we can guide you how to do step by step. And you know, it's like normally 12 months warranty, right? If you ordered in this live stream, you will double the 24 months warranty. 24 months warranty. So, and the technical support is lifetime. For over 25 years, we have offered a lot of technical support to our customers, and will continue because it's our responsibility to make all our customers get the best machine and the best job. So this is our after-sales service, and we will not have any customer will respond all your questions quickly and efficiently, and help you find the problem, solve the problem quickly. Okay. And this is the after-sales service, so don't worry about it. See if the customer asks. Let's see the other question is. Okay. Some customer may ask. I want a laser machine can mark on all kinds of material. Is it possible? Okay, like I said to you before, today's fiber laser marking machine can mark on all metals and some plastic, only some plastic, because other plastic may not able to mark on it. We need to try. That's why if you ask this plastic is okay, it's better to send your sample to us and we check the you. And some may need to mark on wood, mark on glass. How? What can we do? Okay, that will be another laser source because laser source has three types. It has the fiber laser source, CO2 laser source, and the UV laser source. These three types. Today we introduced the fiber laser marking machine. We also have the CO2 laser marking machine and the UV laser marking machine. Like a UV laser marking, especially for the glass marking. See, for the glass marking. And for some plastic, let me show you some samples. Some plastic marking. Let me show you. Some plastic marking. So if you're marking on the glass, like auto glass and candle glass, it's better use the UV laser marking machine marking on glass. CO2 laser marking machine also can mark, but it will have the surface will not smooth. Well, desktop UV laser marking machine marking on plastic. You can see some need marking on oil cap, oil lid. It can also marking the logo. See this? Marking on the plastic. Marking on plastic. Let me see another. One moment, please. The line is okay, I will send you the So if you want to mark on wood, you need the CO2 marking machine, and if you mark like a flying marking machine, marking on the bottom, drinking bottle that need CO2 dry marking machine. So that's the difference. And the question is, what's the difference between the inkjet printer and the laser marker? Well, like I said before, the inkjet printer is not permanent. It can be erased and modified. Well, the laser marking machine is permanent. You can see this marking. After scratch, it's still okay because it's permanent. It can't be modified. It can't be modified. And the second part is inkjet printer. They need the consumables like ink and the solvents. You have to buy year by year a lot of consumables. And ink and solvent are very hard to ship. You know, the high cost to ship. This is also adding your cost. Well, the laser machine, because the laser machine, they don't have any consumables. They only use electricity, and they can use over 10 years. You can see 10 years, you don't want to buy anything else. Just the machine work for you 10 years. Okay. The third part is the consumable and the maintenance. You know, inkjet printer, the big problem is when inkjet nozzle jam and it can't work. And it's very difficult to clean it. You know, to clean the jam the nozzle is very annoying. Well, the laser source, they don't have anything. If the laser okay, condition, work condition, everything's okay. So no need to maintenance because it's just a simple machine. You don't need to just dust the air like let me show you. Just how the maintenance. The week, the daily, week, month, yearly, just clean the wallpaper every day, clean all the mirror by alcohol every day, ensure there's no dust on the focus lens, glass surface, and weekly, just following same operation step because the dust, just clean the dust. And monthly, check and tighten all the well every week because after moving or some change, some wire may lose contact, cause the machine not work. But when you fasten it, everything back to normal. And the yearly maintenance, check all the components in the computer, in the machine, make sure all these components are in good working condition. You can see the maintenance is very simple, just the dust clean the dust. Clean the dust. It's very simple. Clean the lens. Clean the lens. So this is the center type. And the passing. What's the power consumption? The laser source must only use electricity and only 0.5 kilowatt per hour. It's very saving. It's very saving. And what's the consumable of the fiber laser machining? I said again, no consumable, no consumable. And no easy maintenance. Okay, this is the machine questions. Friday is some questions for our company. Okay, the question 1. Are you a factory or a trade company? Oh dear, we have over 25 years for all these years. You can see. Let me show you. This is our building, and this. Sorry, let me send you. And you can see the video of our company. This is our front door. chance to visit our factory, you will see what you see in the video. You can see it's our office. A lot of worker. And this is our meeting room. This is the engineer design. This is workshop, very clean workshop. And the workers are very sophisticated to guarantee the machine quality is stable for each step because they work for years, they work many years. So their job is very sophisticated. No need to worry the slabby work. Hello, welcome to our live stream. You can see our factory. You can see this is our factory. We are the factory. We are the professional factory can produce the laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, and laser cutting, and some CNC machines. And we have over 25 years. We have experienced engineer, and after sales service is guaranteed. And we offer lifetime technical support. We never abandon customers. Hello, Benito, welcome to our live stream. You can see all this machine, marking, cutting, welding, cleaning, whatever laser can do, we can do for you. We can also customize for you. You can see this is our kit. This is our workshop, you can see. It's all machines. Okay, second question is, where is your factory located? How can I visit there? Our factory located in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, and Optics Valley. Even our president Xi visit Optics Valley in the middle of this year. You can see the news. So it's very easy to visit to find our factory. Okay, how long is the lead time? Well, likely you can see a lot of half-finished products. Our lifetime our lead time is very fast. You can see when we get the bank slip today, we can also ship your machine tomorrow. And because some have stock, some have half finished and very quickly to finish assemble the machine or not. The delivery time is normally 5 to 7 days. 5 to 7 days. If we have stock, we can ship tomorrow. Get it? Okay, how about the warranty? You can see the warranty, only 12 months warranty. And if you order in this live stream, you will get double 24 months warranty. And we offer the online video meeting, and technical support is lifetime. Okay, the part is, what's the trade term? The trade term, it's like some company ask you what the FOB price. But actually at FOB price, we don't know what your forwarder charge us, because FOB price is including from warehouse to the boat, to the vessel, that kind of cost. Normally, if you have shipping agent friend in China, we can send the machine free of charge to their warehouse in China. That's end of the order. And others we will. And if you need us to, we can also our document, but if you don't have the agent friend, you can use our forwarder. We can quote you the shipping cost, and the price term will be the CIF cost. It's okay. And third parties, do you have any certificate? Okay, this is our certificate. See? It's our Gold Plus Supplier certificate. You can see this. It's insured by the SGS. SGS, the famous auditing institution. Issued a lot of certificates, and also by Alibaba. This is the Gold Plus Supplier. Gold Plus Supplier web factory. For some Euro customers, they will use the C certificate. You can see the C certificate. So don't worry, we have C certificate for your customers. And for the later, the US customer will need the document like 2177. We can also supply for you. And this is the ROSE, ROSE certificate. See, certificate. And some customer may need to save the tariff, some tax. They will need the certificate of origin. We can also make for you all kinds of, because certificate of origin for different countries will have different names, like FTA, like OC, CO, that kind of COC, kind of things. You just because we have sold the machine to over 180 countries, so we have rich experience for it. We can make for you if you need it. Okay. Now the customer is asking, what about the packing? Our packing is also very important. Our packing is export standard wooden box. Let me show you. Supported box. And very strong. Because some customers complain that other factories, when they got the whole package is crashed. That's terrible. Let me show you. Okay, you can see this is the spare parts. Together with the machine, we can send you a box of tool and safety Google, extra aluminum name card, 100 pieces, one box, in one box, and have the extra red light pointer. See the two extra red pointer together with the machine, and they're printed in each manual, and you drive the box. Let me show the box. Here. The standard wooden box is like this. Let me find it for you. Wooden box. Okay, we have a lot of machine box. Because like this, the software is the wooden box of the fiber marking machine. Okay, this is all kinds of our wooden box, and the small packing this. Different. I will find another two. Okay, you can see all the machines. The customer did order, and we send a lot. This is the wooden box. Export the wooden box. And it's very strong and very beautiful packing. You can see. So don't worry. You can see we ship a lot. Okay, we have. Okay. So today we have introduced our factory. We are Perfect Laser. We are factory to produce laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, and some CNC machine. And we also introduce you 4 models today. Hand hair type 400H. It has you can take the laser head everywhere to mark on large, heavy, big metal mold. And this is the desktop's 400B. And this tube type don't have a computer. You can use your own computer. This one is floor type 400D. This has the computer, has the work table. And this is the fly marking 600. Exactly the marking machine. This is today we produced for you. Today we introduced for you. This is for machine, and we also offered the bonus. Like if you order over $7,000 US, you will get 100 discount. If you order $3,000 US, you get 50 discount. And the warranty time, if you ordered here, order now, you'll get doubled. Originally it's only 12 months, but if you ordered it in this live stream, you will get 24 months. 24 months warranty. And why choose Perfect Laser? Because we have over 25 years experience in the machinery production. We have CE, ISO RHSTUV SGS certificate, and we export to 108 countries and areas with good feedback. And we offer full set solution. We can customize machine for you, one-stop production, one-stop purchasing. And we have 2 hours quick response and 24 hours technical support and 48 hours running test, 72 hours aging test, and delivery time is 7 to 10 days, very short. And we have the training video, and the machine is free of maintenance and engineer service. If needed, we can assign engineer overseas. And this is all our certificate. Okay. If you like our live stream, you can click here, order, follow. Click here, follow. And if you want to know more about our machine, you can get the catalog here, click here. And if you like our live stream, you can click here. Give us a lot of likes. Thank you very much. Our time is so fast, and we will say goodbye and stay tuned and see you next time. Bye. Bye. If you want to know more, you can write email to us or send message to us. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, welcome. You can, if you miss this, you can see the replay.